My people, what you're about to hear today is deeply disturbing and it raises serious questions about the kind of society we are becoming. On one hand, there is a viral confession making the rounds online. On the other hand, there are shocking allegations about who gets celebrated and honored in our communities today. So let us break it down carefully. This video currently circulating online allegedly shows arrested bandits confessing to Nigerian soldiers. In the video, the suspects claim that officials linked to the Kwara State government supplied them with vehicles and weapons to carry out their operations. If you're watching this video and you understand Hausa perfectly well, please kindly translate what was said in this video.
Now, fuel are they put for your body? Talk to now. Fuel are they put for your body? Talk to make you know that. Now, fuel are they put for your body?
So the weapon you can give now.
Some of them are them. You they look at now, fuel are they put for your body?
You go Abuja, go collect the weapon.
Yes.
Now for Abuja, you go collect the rifle. I've been for Ilorin. How you take no sense from Abuja?
Me, I know because we there with them. We go patrol how many times with them. Ogabito and the Tinga. All of them, they involved. Now they are weapons. Ogatinga. Now they are weapons. Not our own.
Okay.
Not be our own. Not be our own. Wallahi, not be our own.
No, wala now.
Now that things are not their own.
We'll go and pick all of them.
Now, these are allegations coming from suspects and they must be treated as such. But if properly investigated and proven, this would raise very serious questions about governance, accountability, and who is truly fueling insecurity in the country. Who could have believed that the same governments are the ones supplying weapons to these bandits? But my people, this is where it becomes even more painful. While ordinary Nigerians are crying over insecurity, kidnappings, and killings, some individuals accused of horrific crimes are allegedly being celebrated in society. Hey, one name that has sparked outrage online is Chief Morocco Oparaugu from Umohu community in Ongo-Okpala, Imo State. According to widespread online reports and allegations, he is accused of being involved in kidnapping and organ harvesting activities in Imo State. He is also allegedly linked to a mortuary and a hotel along the Aba Owerri Road, where kidnapped victims are said to have been held, ransoms collected, and in some cases, victims reportedly killed. Again, we must be clear these are allegations, but they are serious ones that have caused public anger and fear.
The operatives, led by Imo State Police Commissioner Danjuma Aboki, arrived at Ugudu Cottage Hospital and Mortuary Services along the Umu axis of the Owerri Aba Expressway in Ongo-Okpala local government area. Acting on verified intelligence, the police allege the facility had been used as a clandestine dumping site for mutilated bodies suspected to be victims of organ trafficking. Inside the building, officers were met with a horrifying sight. Hundreds of decomposing and dismembered corpses piled inside an unregistered morgue.
The level of preservation, there's no level of preservation of the corpses. They are in total state of unfair preservation. And most of the bodies are mutilated and in a very terrible state of preservation. So, and even the environment does not depict an environment where bodies should be kept, because they are in very big state of disrepair. The building is dilapidated, the bodies are terribly preserved, and the environment is terribly insecure.
Commissioner Aboki disclosed that the suspected operator allegedly used a hotel in front of the site as a front for the illegal activities. He added that once the government completes the required procedures, the structure will be demolished.
So, scattered corpses, mutilated corpses in this environment. What we have seen
The corpses that we discover are more than hundreds. And the owner of the mortuary is on the run. We sent for him, he refused to come. And severally, we mounted surveillance, whether we'll be able to get him. He's on the run. And by the information we gather, they use this place in dumping the corpses of what they call organs harvest. Organs harvest.
A further sweep of the premises revealed more troubling findings, including a personal shrine linked to the suspect and an hideout believed to have been used for kidnapping operations. The commissioner reiterated that Stanley Oparugo has been declared wanted and that efforts to apprehend him are ongoing.
They declare him wanted. He's on the road. We did not see anybody here. And this health hazard. And by his grace, the commissioner of health is here. The pathology is here. We may soon make a mass burial.
Commissioner for Health, Dr. Chioma Egu, confirmed the facility is not registered among licensed mortuaries in the state. She warned that the site has been identified as a serious public health hazard, posing significant risk to nearby residents.
There's nothing to show that this place is a mortuary. Sure. There's nothing happening here, or even if you look at the corpses, there's nothing to show that there's any way they were trying to preserve them. So we are declaring this place a place of public health concern. It is hazardous to the environment, and we advise when we get back, we'll sit down and then we'll put down our reports and then we'll advise His Excellency. Thank you.
The Owerri-Aba corridor has recently witnessed a surge in kidnapping and other crimes. Residents and commuters now hope the discovery of this illegal mortuary will help curb criminal activities in the area as security agencies intensify their pursuit of the suspects. Ejitokwakutai, Channels Television News.
The same individual has allegedly received series of awards, certificates of recognition and honors from different groups, including community bodies. Even churches have awarded this same man, and even groups linked to cult activities. My people, this is a question Nigerians are asking loudly. Do you see the kind of people being honored in our society today? What message does it send to the younger generation? For clarity, we want to state that authorities have reportedly declared this individual wanted in connection with this serious allegation. We urge security agencies to carry out thorough investigations so the truth can be established and justice served. Also, my people, please understand this. Whenever you notice that we do not post full or graphic videos here, it is because we are trying to comply strictly with YouTube's policies. For exclusive, extended or sensitive content, we share on our Telegram channel. The link to Update People TV on Telegram is in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Always stay alert and stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.